this is the Kosami landfill. Same, yeah. This is the landfill boundary. Yeah. So now,
Yeah.
so now for this boundary, how much buffer you want to create? How much area?
Or I want to create a distance of 500 meters between the landfill and the settlements around it. I actually need 3 buffers.
How much area?
500.
500 meter or is kilometer?
Yeah. Yes, 500 meters.
Five hundred meter.
Yes.
Okay. So awesome. 500 meter, yeah. 500.
Yeah.
And you create the boundary or circle.
Okay.
So now if I just show you, it just create the boundary, mainly circle. Create, this is the circle. Yeah, you can see this circle.
Okay.
It's a 500 meter buffer. Or if you want, you can also create, suppose, bounds. Then it create the square shape boundary. So now which one you prefer, circle or boundary?
Can you let the boundary take the shape of the landfill instead of making like a circle or either a box? Is that possible?
This one?
The boundary you just created, some like are within the residence, so, or the settlement. So can you let the boundary take the shape of the landfill itself?
Only for landfill, yeah?
Yes, only for the landfill.
Keep the all of boundary. So further, I think it's also better. So where is your landfill? So suppose this is the landfill, yeah?
Yes, this whole area.
This whole area from here.
Yes.
You can simply click on here. You can see just draw a shape and simply digitize your area. Wow, where the landfill. That was just start from here and then simply digitize your own way. Simply digitize. This is the area. This is the area. Then you can easily do it. Okay, suppose I just simply take roughly. This is my area.
Yeah.
So just I keep from here, yeah. So you can also
Can you take it behind the rubbish? Not like yeah.
Okay, for the rubbish, if you need, so then you can simply take it. Just
simply okay.
This rubbish. So you can see you can take this full boundary, look like that. And if you want to also get the water body, this is the water body, you can see. I also consider suppose this type of place also. Vegetation and water body. And so this is the landfill. So you can take this type of way for your boundary. And further, you can simply work with suppose LST, NDVI, or vegetation, as well also water quality for this type of water body. Okay. And do for the different types of environmental analysis.
Okay. So so after selecting your boundary, now I want to take 500 meters from this boundary.
So then you can simply take the geometry and then just buffer this 500 meter. Just run the code. So now it create this 500 meter buffer of this boundary.
Okay.
And it create this type of for this bound land field. So it take the every 500 meters area from this boundary,
Okay.
from the land field boundary.
Okay. Okay. Okay.